Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an augmented reality sticker. So this is the sticker I created and will be animated using an AR app. And this is the animation that will be overlaid on top of the sticker that I just showed you. So let's get to it. So the tools that I used for this project are an iPad, an Apple Pencil, Procreate app, and Artivibe app. The first step is to design your tag. A tag is like your logo. It will be your stylized signature. It is usually very simple, like Obey by Shepard Fairey or a Banksy signature. Right now, I'm trying to come up with a tag of my own. I've done some sketches before this, but just trying to finalize it here. I've always been fascinated by mazes, so kind of went for that look. In my head, I thought using red would make the ARCHIST letters stand out more, but after sketching it out, I disagree. That's why we sketch, right? I think this should do it. Our next step would be designing a background. I really like the patterns created by the artist Redna. I think his paintings can act as a perfect backdrop. So inspired by Redna, I chose to use a pattern that is very much used in Poba paintings in Nepal. This pattern can also be found in various architectural elements like doors and windows in and around Kathmandu Valley. Now our third step is combining our tag design with our backdrop. Since I like the look and feel of a Polaroid photo, I wanted to create something visually similar. If you have noticed, I sometimes don't actually know what I'm doing at the moment, which is fine, but I do have a vague idea about the look of the final design. I mostly go with the flow and stop when it feels right. I think I'm satisfied with this design right now. Now let's move on to our step 4, which is character design. For this sticker right now, I just chose Brahma as a character. And I'm using 2 different artworks for our design. I then added some more details to make it more relatable on the streets. I gave him more updated tools to create some street art. So this is it. This will be our sticker design. Now let's order those stickers. Our next step is to create the animation we want to be overlaid on top of the sticker. This was the first animation I've ever done, so I'm trying different things and see what works and what doesn't. To create my animation, I used the Procreate app. Procreate uses the old school frame-by-frame animation process. It is also very similar to the stop animation. At the end of the animation, I wanted to add a short message, like an Easter egg. So I tried different things and finally was happy with the one you see here. Now let's review the animation. The next step is to upload the image created for the sticker and the animation to the ArtiVibe server. To do that, you just go to the ArtiVibe website and log in. What ArtiVibe does is it basically takes your image and your animation and connects the two if you scan it with their app. If you don't have an account with ArtiVibe yet, you create a new one, like creating a new email account. It's very simple. So now, since I've already uploaded my artworks to ArtiVibe, let me show you how to upload a new artwork. On the top left corner, just type in the name for your project and hit Add Artwork. For now, I'll just type in Art1 and hit Add Artwork. On this page, you'll have two options. One is on the left, where you upload your image, and one is on your right, where you upload your animation. After you have uploaded both your image and your animation to ArtiVibe server, let's go ahead and download that ArtiVibe app. If you're an Apple user, you just go to the App Store and search for ArtiVibe. I'm pretty sure it's very similar on the Android too. Now the final step, to scan your sticker. It's pretty self-explanatory after you open your ArtiVibe app. Just try to scan your sticker like you would scan any other QR code. Once it identifies your sticker, it automatically tracks it and animates it. So there you go. This is how I created my augmented reality sticker, and you can do the same if you follow these steps. If you have any questions on any of the steps that I mentioned in the video, please feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And finally, if you have enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.